Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and this series we're going to be building a Clayton Undertype steam wagon. It's going to be a 2-inch scale. This is what we're going to end up building by the end. It's going to be built in SolidWorks. As you see, we've got a lot of stuff here. That's a complete list on there. That is the chassis, the springs, everything's here. The bodywork, more springs, more engine parts, the rims, boiler over here, mud guards, whatnot. There's 17 pages of this, a lot of little nitty gritty stuff. Now this plans to build in scale, but a fully working steam engine. It's not just a model, it's actually designed to be a fully working one. Disclaimer, if you follow these plans, you do it at your own risk. I take no responsibility. If you use these plans to build something goes wrong, that's on you. I'm just building this in SolidWorks. So these are all stuff going to be building. So there's a lot of stuff. Mostly one video would be one part. I'll be probably looking mostly doing a video a week. But if we have a lot of little parts, I might put out several videos in a week. So see what happens. So the assembly, everything, right down to the steering and that. So hopefully get all that working. Now, just another disclaimer, I am not a professional SolidWorks developer. It's been a few years since I've used it. I learned in college. I am using 2018 edition. So I'll be learning as it goes. So I said, I've been a while since I've used it. There's still a lot of stuff I don't know. But the idea of this is anyone that's starting it can see what they do. There'll be mistakes I do. There'll probably things I change. There'll be things that are different. You can do it in several different ways. This is Prelude to that, so this is what I'm making. So let's get into it. I'd like to thank JMD Wall, I hope I said that right, for them to give me permission to use these blueprints, these plans. I do appreciate that. Thank you so much. I contacted him a couple of years ago to do this. Just haven't had time to get around to it. So thank you for giving me permission to do this. Thank you so much.